Namaste. I'm Pavneet Kaur, Additional Municipal Commissioner, Pune Municipal Corporation. I'm here to inform you that the Honorable PM and the Honorable CM has launched a HPV vaccination program that is free of cost for all girls who have completed 14 years and have not completed 15 years. Basically, this is to prevent cervical cancer. As you all might be aware that cervical cancer is one of the second most common cancer in women in India. In fact, in India, roughly 80,000 new cases come every year, out of which roughly 42,000 women die because of cervical cancer. And the good news is that it is preventable cancer. It is one of the only preventable cancers, and so therefore I, as Additional Municipal Commissioner, urge all the Pune residents to get this vaccine. All the girls in schools to get this vaccine. It is free of cost. The vaccine is Gardasil 4, so you just need a single dose. And basically, there are a lot of myths going on that that one cannot get pregnant if they take this vaccine, which is absolutely false. I would like to inform that roughly 160 countries, in 148 countries, this vaccine is already being used. In fact, even in India, this vaccine was already being used, but it was just being used by private practitioners, and you could buy this vaccine at a cost of roughly 2,000 to 4,000 rupees. But now government has taken this campaign to make it free of cost for all the girls who have reached the age of 14 and who have not yet completed 15, so that this disease of cervical cancer can be preventable. So there is another myth that the vaccine is not safe. Like I said, that this has already been given in 148 countries, and it is not under trial. This vaccine is already being used. Also, there is a myth that it causes severe reactions. So all PMC schools and hospitals will have the AEFI kit, which is adverse effect post immunization. So there might be mild fever the way it happened in COVID, or slight reaction, but there is nothing adverse that will happen to any of the girls. Also, there is a myth that the vaccine causes brain damage due to aluminum content. So this is also totally wrong. This vaccine has been inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India and the Honorable CM of Maharashtra. So I would urge all the citizens of Pune to get their daughters, sisters vaccinated who fall under this age group. Thank you so much.